everyone, and welcome to the daily newspaper analysis, which is brought to you by LawSikho. So today we'll be discussing the important news updates for 19th November as well as 21st November. That was Saturday and today. So let's see what do we have for news updates today. Firstly, Asian Airgun Championship. So the Indian junior women's pistol team comprising Manu Bhakar, Isha Singh and Shikha Narwal won a gold medal in the 15th Asian Airgun Championship in Daegu in South Korea. So it took India's gold count to 23 with 1 day of the competition remaining. Secondly, C.V. Ananda Bose is the new governor of West Bengal. So President Draupadi Murmu has appointed Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose as the governor of West Bengal. So he's 71 years of age and is a 1977 batch retired Indian Administrative Service, that is IAS officer of Kerala cadre. He last served as an administrator in the National Museum here before superannuating in 2011. His appointment will take effect on the date he assumes charge of his office. Thirdly, Ashok Gehlot government to issue NRR cards for the non-resident Rajasthanis. So the NRR, which stands for non-resident Rajasthanis, could soon get the NRR cards that would serve as a unique identity document for them and provide some special privileges. The proposal to issue NRR cards is part of the NRR policy released recently by the Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot as a separate policy, especially for the Rajasthani diaspora. Fourthly, this is rather a big news to be shared. Uttarakhand High Court to be shifted to Haldwani from Nainital. So the Uttarakhand High Court will be shifted from Nainital to Haldwani. This decision was taken in a cabinet meeting held under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami in Dehradun. Fifthly, Tripura Chief Minister launches Amar Sarkar portal. So the Tripura Chief Minister, Dr. Manik Saha, said that his government is working to ensure all central and state-sponsored schemes reach every doorstep and launched a new portal, that is the Amar Sarkar, to act as a bridge between people and the government. Sixthly, AIIMS Delhi to introduce smart card facility at counters for patients. So AIIMS Delhi will go fully digital from April 1st, 2023. It has announced that soon patients will be able to pay using smart cards along with UPI and bank cards at counters. The report stated that the project will be piloted in the new Rajkumari Amrit Kaur OPD from November 21st. Seventhly, Tamil Nadu introduces India's first Elephant Death Audit Framework. So Tamil Nadu's Forest Department has introduced an Elephant Death Audit Framework to put in place a more detailed and transparent process for recording and monitoring elephant deaths in the state. Presently, identifying the cause of mortality in the field remains critical for many questions related to population and conservation of elephants. Eighthly, next head of the ONGC, so Oil Refining and Marketing Company, BPCL's former chairman Arun Kumar Singh is likely to be the new chairman of India's top oil and gas producer ONGC, the first instance of a top PSU board level position going to a person aged over 60 years. Ninthly, Michelle Obama's new book, The Light We Carry. So Michelle Obama, who we all know is the wife of the predecessor president of the United States of America, who is Barack Obama. So her new book that is called as The Light We Carry, in which she talks about tough times in her life and how she not only copied but remained hopeful, recently came out. Tenthly, Arun Goel appointed election commissioner. So a former secretary of the Ministry of Heavy Industries, Arun Goel, who took voluntary retirement service 6 weeks prior to his retirement, has been appointed as the election commissioner. Let's see what do we have for legal updates today. Firstly, discretion has no place in contractual matters unless it is expressly incorporated in contract, says the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court observed that discretion has no place in the contractual matters unless the parties have expressively incorporated it as a part of the contract. The rights and duties of the parties to the contract subsist or perish in terms of the contract itself, the bench held. This was held in the case of State of Madhya Pradesh versus SEW Construction Limited. Secondly, Bombay High Court grants bail to Bhima Koregaon accused. So the Bombay High Court granted bail to former IIT professor and Dalit scholar Professor Ananda Teltumde, booked under the Unlawful Activities and Prevention Act in the Bhima Koregaon Elgar Parishad case. This was held in the case of Dr. Anand Teltumde versus the National Investigation Agency and the state of Maharashtra. Thirdly, Supreme Court dismisses PIL seeking creation of Indian Environment Services as part of the AII India services. So the Supreme Court dismissed a PIL seeking mandamus for the creation of a separate Indian Environment Services as part of the AII India Services on the lines of Indian Administrative Services and the Indian Police Services. The above direction was sought in pursuance of the TSR Subramaniam Committee report. This was held in the case of Samar Vijay Singh versus Union of India. This was all for today. Thank you so much for staying tuned with LawSikho. We hope that you all liked this session. If you wish to download the PDF of today's slides, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box below.